Hi everybody, it's Lavinia. Welcome to my channel and to this episode of Saturday Morning Makes, which is hosted by Jillian Norwood. In today's video, I wanted to share this picture that I painted using the Graphite aquarelle pencils by Faber-Castell. In another video, I do an unboxing and swatching of these pencils. They're water-soluble graphite and I just love them. So this is the picture that I painted. I used my light tracer to trace out the design, and I got this idea from Lisa Lachri Fine Arts. I will post in the description box a link to her channel. I joined her Patreon. I just love all the art that she does. She uses various media from these types of pencils, colored pencils, pan pastels, watercolor, acrylics, and every Wednesday she has a live stream. And so that's where I'm at, at Wednesday evening, just watching her live stream and participating in the chat. I really recommend that you take a look at her channel and see if there's something that you're interested in, because again, she works in various media and has a lot of really useful and helpful tips, I think. So one thing that I wanted to do next, so if you want to check out Lisa's channel, you can find out the tutorial for that. But this is a rose from my garden, and I got the idea. I wanted to test out first, the pencils doing this, watching her tutorial, and again, gaining a lot of inside tips and tricks on using it. So I did this in black and white. If you checked out my community channel, you'll see the posting of this. And there's actually two roses, this one and this one, but I do like this one better too. So I'm going to try that out. I also have two pictures of my cats. This is Kyrie, and I think it's a short that I have on this, and it's over 23,000 views. Just a simple video, but regarding her eyes, she's got beautiful eyes. And then this is Stormy Weather, and actually Lisa did a video on just regular charcoal with a cat that looked very much like Stormy Weather. I think that was a Maine Coon. Stormy's not a Maine Coon. So I wasn't sure if I wanted to try the water-soluble pencils with this or if I should just do charcoal. But I'm thinking with the rose, I'll probably do a few videos as I paint out this rose using the graphite water-soluble pencils. So if you wanted to follow me along, you can find the picture on my community page. This, I worked at it probably for a week or so, just an hour here and there, sometimes on the weekends, a couple of hours. So it's a really good lesson in learning values. So whether you're painting, whether it's acrylics or color pencils or anything like that, learning that the value difference. So there's probably more that I could have done on here, but I just wanted to move on to this next rose here. So if you have any questions, let me know. And again, check out Lisa's channel. Again, if you want to follow along when I do the rose, let me know. But you can also do the search of the Satmorn Makes, the hashtag Satmorn Makes, to see what other YouTubers are posting for their Saturday morning makes. Doesn't have to be anything related to, painting or art or craft. It could be also gardening. So if you have any questions, just let me know, and like, share, subscribe, and I will see you soon. Take care.